just a shadow in the dust. Walking through the world unseen, iron bones turn red with rust. Storms will tear the sky apart, but I never felt the sound till your footsteps cut the silence like a heartbeat underground. I never saw the rain till I saw you. Never felt the thunder tremble like it suddenly knew. You lit a fire in the hollows where the cold winds blew. Yeah, I never saw the rain till I saw you.
You were carved out of moonlight with a grin sharp as a blade, a ghost of silver lightning in a world of ash and fade. And when your eyes met mine, the whole horizon seemed to bleed, like the sky itself was waking to a long forgotten need.
I never saw the rain till I saw you. Never felt the thunder tremble like it suddenly knew. You lit a fire in the hollow where the cold winds blew. Yeah, I never saw the rain till I saw you. Now every drop that hits the earth echoes back to where we rose, two silhouettes in a storm-lit curse, bound by something no one knows. Now we wander through the shadows where the living fear to roam, two skeletons in lockstep calling lightning down like home.
And the sky keeps painting warnings in a burning blood red hue, but I only see the beauty in the storm that brought me you.
If I never saw the rain till I saw you, I never felt the thunder tremble like it suddenly knew.
I never saw the rain till I saw you. Never felt the thunder tremble like it certainly knew.
You turned a dead man's world into a wild electric view. Yeah, I never saw the rain till I saw you.